students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 5, decimal fraction, that we have already started. We have done with our practice set 14. In that we have learned how to write the place value of the following digit with the help of the names. Then we have solved addition, subtraction of the decimal fraction. Then we have done some word problem also. Now we are going to move to our next exercise, that is exercise number 15. Before going to next exercise, we will just see what are that in that exercise so that we can do in a proper way. Now here in this exercise, before starting it, I will just explain through an example what you are going to do in that exercise. Now here converting a common factor into decimal fraction. Here some are common fraction. That common fraction you have to convert into a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction means you have to write in a point wise and it is given in a fraction form. Now here the first example is, see the first example is 723 upon 10. Now here if 10 is given, I have explained you that when 10 is there, you have to put point after one number. When 100 is there, you have to put point after two number. When 1000 is there, you have to put point after three number. But here is 10 means you have to put decimal point after one number. So the main answer is 723. 723 should be divided by 10. We will read as 723 upon 10. Now here you have to write 723 and 10 is given, so you have to put point after one number. So before 3 is one number, so we have put point before 3. So we can read as 72.3. I hope now you have understood how to convert a decimal fraction into a common fraction into a decimal fraction. Now we will move to our next one. The next one is 51250. That is 51,250 divided by 100. That means if it is 100 is given, you have to put point after two number. It is given in common fraction form and you have to write in a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction should be written in a point wise. So answer should be 51250. You will write the main question. Then 100 means after two number you are going to put point. So here will be 05. 05 ke pehle you have to put point. So you can read like this: 512.50. See, after point you have to read a single digit. You are not going to read 50. You are going to read 50. So we have converted this common fraction into a decimal fraction. Now the third example you can see, it is given in 1000. The question is 5138 divided by upon. Divided by or upon 1000. 1000 means it is having after three number, the point should be given. So here 5138. We have written already the question. Then what we have to write after three number, we have to put point. So here 831 should be put on point, then 5. Now see here, I will show you through one example, extra example. If I write here, if I write here 26 upon 10. Now 26 upon 10. 10 means after one number you have to put point. Vedika, just listen it properly. Whenever the downward 10 is coming, 10 is our decimal. So 10 jab bhi aata hai, you have to put point after one number. When 100 is there, you have to put point after two number. When 1000 is there, you have to put point after three number. So here 10 is there. So main answer, the answer is what? The answer is 26. So you will write 26 6. But what you will do upon 10? 10 means after one number. So जब भी हमको point डालना है, we have to see from the unit place. We have to see it from the unit place. So before 2, you will put a point. Before 6, you will put point. Now I think you people have understood 100. If there will be 100, the same number if I'm taking, if it is 100, so what should I will write? Write the answers in the chat box. If I have written 100, 26 upon 100, what should my answer? Very good, Tanishka. She has given the answer first. That was 0.26. Rutwa, 0.26. See here, 100 means after 2 number you have to put point. After 2 number means already 26 is only given. What is given? 26 only. This is 2 number only. We have to put point after 2 number. Whenever there is nothing number, I have explained you have to put 0. I hope you people have clear about how to convert a common fraction into a decimal fraction. Now moving to next one. Now the next question. Now this is vice versa. Ulta jaisa opposite hota hai. Now you have to convert a decimal fraction into a common fraction. You have to convert a decimal fraction into a common fraction. Now how you are going to convert? Now what you are going to do first? Now see your first question. Yeah. Now the next question is converting a decimal fraction into a common fraction. Now this is our decimal fraction 26.4. See the first question 26.4. Now here 26.4 you have to write this into a common fraction. Now first see after how many number point is given. Now here after one number, one digit only point is given, that is 4 it is given. After before 4 point is given. So here what you are going to write? You are going to write the main answer without using the point. Point you are not going to write it. You will write 264 upon. Now after before one number point is given, so you have to write the decimal, that is 10. If it is given before two numbers, so that time you will write 100. So here only one point after one number point is given, so you are going to write it as 22,604 upon 10. Now see the next sum, this second one. Now see the next sum, that is given as 0.04. Now here 0.04. Now first we will see after how many number point is given. Here after 2 number point is given. But the answer is only 4. See, I told you have to put 0 because whenever there is 100 or 1000 or single digit is given, put 0 for writing the answer. But the main answer is only that number only. So here the number is 4. And downward what you are going to write after 2 number, you are going, here point is given, so it is in the form of decimal of 100. So the main answer is 4 upon 100. Now the next one is, see, the next sum, it is given 19.315. Now 315 it is given after, before how many number the point is given? 3 number. 5 है, फिर 1 है, फिर 3 है. That means 1, 2, 3. It is given before 3 number point. So 3 number point, if it is given, it is, we have to write which number? We have to write the decimal number, the decimal, that is 1000. So the main answer which we have written is 19,315 upon 1000. So here first sums you have seen that common fraction is converted into decimal fraction and decimal fraction is converted into common fraction. Both the question they will give and they will ask to solve to convert that into a decimal or convert that into a common fraction. Now I hope you people have understood how to convert it. So I'm giving you one question. You can solve it and you can give me the answers in the chat box. See, I'm writing one question. You just give me the answers. It is mix up. It is decimal fraction also, common fraction also. See the question and give me the answers. My question is, see, I have written 5 upon 10. What will be the answer? Very good, Tanishka. Yeah, Arnav Ghag, Makran. Very good. Yeah, Arya, Soham, Vedang. Very good. All have given the Honey, you have given wrong answer. Bhageshwar also given wrong answer. You the proper answer. Other student has given the right answer. Now the answer should be 0.5. See 0.5 because 10 is given. 10 means single number के बाद आएगा point. So I should write 5 first. Then point. Nothing number is given. Then point. Then 0. Okay. Now my next question. See my next question. 21.628. Give me the answer. 21.628. Vedika, half answer. Yes, Saad has given the right answer. Kasturi also given. Other student also given the right answer. Shwetlana. Sanskruti half given. Arya Penkar half given. Yes, Ayush has given the right answer. Bhageshwar also. Swarup also. That means you people have understood how to convert the common fraction from the decimal fraction and decimal fraction from the common fraction. Okay. So we are going to start with our exercise, that is exercise number 15. Okay, now stop. Now I will ask the question, whatever that you are going to give the answers in the chat box only. Okay. Now this is our practice set 15. Be concentrate. This whole question answers you are going to give me through the chat box. It is very easy sum. Now here Vedant Pujari, please don't give the answers now. Whenever I will ask, that time you are going to give the answers. Okay. Now practice set 15. Write the proper number in the empty box. Now you have to write the proper number in the empty box. Now listen it first properly, then give me a proper answer. The first question is given 3 upon 5 equal to 3 multiplied by box upon 5 multiplied by box equal to box upon 10 equal to box. Now see here this is the decimal fraction, so the downward, the denominator should be only 10, 100 and 1000. It is not going to be changed that 200, 500, 600. If we are solving decimal fraction means always it is of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is not of other one. Now here, what number should be multiplied by 3 and what number should be multiplied by 5? For 3 which number and for 5 which number? Whatever number we are multiplying up, the same number should be multiplied by down. Very good. Everyone has given the answer 2. Okay. Now that means 3 should be multiplied by 2 and 5 should also multiply by 2. Very good. Now 3 twos is what? 3 twos is 6. 3 twos is 6. Then answer is 6 upon 10. So 6 upon 10 means what is the main answer? What will be the main answer? The last box what I should write here. Very good. Other students have given that answers also. It should be 0.6. How it came? Because it is given in a decimal fraction. It is given in a common fraction that we have converted into a decimal fraction. Very good. So our now next question, huh? Now the next question is 21 upon 2. 21 upon 2 multiply by dash 2 multiply by dash equal to dash upon 10. Now 21 should be multiplied and 2 should be multiplied by, very good, by 5. See, by 5 we have written because 2 5s are. See here, 2 5s is 10. 2 5s is 10. So if we multiply downward 5, we have to multiply upward also with 5. So here 21 into 5 equal to dash. Now what is 21 into 5? 21 5s are. I want the answer of 21 5s are. I don't want point answer. 21 5s answer is coming in point. No. 21 5s is 105. So here will be 105 upon 10. Now the main answer, what will be the main answer? 10 means it point should be given after one number. Very good. Very good, Vignesh Nayak, Ayush. Yeah, everyone has given the right answer. That is 10.5. That is what? That is 10.5. Okay, now we will move to our next question. Okay, now we will move to our next question. Now see here, it is given 25 upon 8. Now listen up properly. Now don't give me the answers. 25 upon 8 equal to 25 multiplied by box upon 8 multiplied by 125. See why they have written 125? Because if we multiply 125 by 8, we are getting answer as 1000. So if we multiply 125 by 8, so we have to multiply 25 by also 125 only. Here will be 125. So the main answer, they have already given answers also. You are not going to solve also. They have given the answer also. The main answer is 3125. That means on the top it will come 125 and the upon 125 equal to 3125 divided by upon 1000, and the main answer is 3.125. Okay. Now moving to next question, that is fourth question. The fourth question I have given you to solve it and give me a proper answer by comma. The fourth question you are going to give me by a proper answer. Yes, Svetlana, she has given the proper answer. Yes, Ayush, why though there are two more zero, only 1 0 is necessary. Next student, the fourth answer I want. What will be the main answer, the fourth one? Very good, Bhagyeshwar has given. Right, Vignesh, Ayush, Shri. Shri, recheck your answers. Vedika, recheck your answer. Kasturi, recheck your answer. That is wrong. Shravan, recheck. Arnav Ghag, recheck. Okay, okay. Yes, the main answer, that means the last empty box, I want the answer. I don't want the middle answer, the last empty box answer I want. Yes, Arya Penkar, right, but don't put 2 0. Only 1 0. Saad, just recheck your point. It is given wrong. 100 diya hai, so you have put it point after one number only. Yes, Adya. Okay. Yeah, everyone has given the. Krishna, recheck your answer. 5.0 you have written. Sanskruti, recheck. Now, Vedika, you have given the right answer. Yes. Vedangola, given the right answer. Sharon also. Snehal, recheck your answer. 3.15 you have given. Now, what is the answer? I will unmute one person and I will ask to tell the answer. Okay. Arohi, what is the answer? I have unmuted you. Arohi, I have unmuted you. What is the answer? Okay. Abhinav Shinde. Abhinav Shinde, I have unmuted you. What is the answer?
Zero.
Now we have done with this one. Now we will move to our next part. See now. Now listen it properly. Now question number 2. Convert the common fraction into decimal fraction. Now you have to convert this common fraction. This is our common fraction into a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction, I told that it should be of 10, 100. Denominator should be 10 and 100, not 50, 60, 80. It should be only 10, 100, 1000. So here in the first question, just see it properly. Here in the first question, it is written as 3 upon 4. Now don't see the next one. 3 upon 4. Just listen it properly. 3 upon 4. Here the denominator should be multiplied with taking a number that when we multiply it, it come only 10, 100 and 1000. So that the decimal should be made. So here 3 upon 4. Now in 3 table and in 4 table, so we have to use the denominator by making it 100, 10 or 1000. Here if I multiply, okay. Here if I multiply 25, 4 multiplied by 25, 4 multiplied by 25 is 100. So that 25 should be multiplied up also. Here, so 3 into 25 upon 4 into 25 equal to. Now here we got a decimal fraction as 1000. So 325 is 75 and 425 is 1000. So our main answer is 0.75. Our main answer is 0.75. How it came? Yeah, now only we have learned how to write the decimal fraction. So first you have to solve it by making it 100, 10 or 1000. Then you have to write the answer. Once again, I am explaining you the first sum, same only. See the first question, it is given 3 upon 4. See, first of all, the main thing, the denominator should be made by 10 on 100. So in 4 table, 10 is not coming. So we have taken 4 into 25. 4 25 is 100. So if I multiply 25 by 4, that same number, 25 number should be multiplied by 3. So 3 into 25 equal to 75. So the main answer हमको इसमें किसको लिखना है? Decimal fraction में. So 100 है, that means after two number we have to put point. So here 75 is only two numbers. So the main answer should be 0.75. Now I hope you people have understood the first sum. Now we will move to the next one. See the next question. The next question is 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 same, we have to convert the denominator into 10 or 100. 5 के टेबल में 10 आता है, 5 2s. So जब हम नीचे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर also we have to multiply by 2. So here 4 2s is 8 and 5 2s is 10. So we got decimal as 10. So if it is given 10, that means the main answer should be 0.8. The main answer should be 0.8. Now we will move to our next fourth one. The fourth sum is 17 upon 20. Now make this 20 as 100. So 25s are 25s. See 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 60, 80 and 100. So 25s is 100. So if I multiply denominator by 5, you have to multiply the numerator also by 5. So here 25s is 100 and 17 5s is 85. So the main answer 100 आया, so we have to put point before two number. So the answer will be 0.85. 0.85. I hope this question number 2 you people have understood it. Now once again I will repeat it. 17 upon 20. 20 is your denominator. So the denominator should be converted into decimal. So we have to multiply 20 by 5. If I multiply 20 by 5, the answer should be 100. नीचे जब हम 5 से कर रहे, so the numerator should also multiply by 5 only. So 17 multiplied by 5 equal to 85. So here the main answer is 0.85. What is the main answer? The main answer is 0.8. So the second question is convert the decimal fraction into common fraction. The first question, see once again I am repeating the first question. It is given 27.5. If 27.5 is given, you have to use this decimal fraction into a common fraction. 27.5. Before one number point is given, so you have to write, you have to take which fraction, which decimal fraction, which common fraction, that is 10. So here I have to write 275 upon 10. See the next question, second one, it is given 0.007. 0.007 is equal to, the main answer is 7. Point कितने के बाद दिया है? 700. Before 3 number it is given point. So you have to write 7 upon 1000. And the last fourth one, it is given 39.15. 39.15 means we have to write there 3915. Point how much? Before how much number point is given? Before 2 number point is given. So we have to write before 2 number which decimal we will take? We will take 100. So the main answer is 3915 upon 100. This is vice versa. In the previous sums we have done with the common fraction and now we have done with the decimal fraction. Now I hope till here you people have understood.